am working on plus, noun. I am working on a novel. I am working on a podcast. I am working on a painting. I am working on a sculpture. I am working on a mobile app. I am working on a new recipe. I am working on a DIY project. I am working on a documentary. I am working on a business plan. I am working on a fashion design. I am working on my mental health. I am working on my mental health. I am working on my fitness goals. I am working on my coding skills. I am working on a fitness routine. I am working on a crochet project. I am working on a gardening hobby. I am working on my cooking skills. I am working on a home renovation. I am working on a financial budget. I am working on a research project. I am working on a documentary film. I am working on a knitting project. I am working on a coding challenge. I am working on a community garden. I am working on a community garden. I am working on my mentoring skills. I am working on a volunteer project. I am working on my language fluency. I am working on a new business idea. I am working on a poetry collection. I am working on a gardening project. I am working on a marketing campaign. I am working on my leadership skills. I am working on a charity fundraiser. I am working on a web design project. I am working on a new product launch. I am working on my self-care routine. I am working on a fashion collection. I am working on a fashion collection. I am working on a new product design. I am working on a documentary series. I am working on my photography skills. I am working on my financial planning. I am working on my negotiation skills. I am working on a woodworking project. I am working on my financial literacy. I am working on my financial literacy. I am working on a fitness competition. I am working on a DIY home renovation. I am working on a painting exhibition. I am working on my meditation practice. I am working on an architecture design. I am working on my presentation skills. I am working on my presentation skills. I am working on my negotiation tactics. I am working on my networking abilities. I am working on a screenplay adaptation. I am working on my communication skills. I am working on my data analysis skills. I am working on a photography portfolio. I am working on my mindfulness practice. I am working on a screenplay adaptation. I am working on a scientific experiment. I am working on a mobile app development. I am working on a graphic design project. I am working on my organizational skills. I am working on my social media marketing. I am working on my social media marketing. I am working on my storytelling abilities. I am working on a web development project. I am working on my team leadership skills. I am working on my time management skills. I am working on a business expansion plan. I am working on a woodworking masterpiece. I am working on my creative writing skills. I am working on my team leadership skills. I am working on my time management skills. I am working on a business expansion plan. I am working on a woodworking masterpiece. I am working on my creative writing skills. I am working on a home improvement project. I am working on a renewable energy project. I am working on my presentation techniques. I am working on a charity fundraiser event. I am working on my social networking skills. I am working on a historical research paper. I am working on a historical research paper. I am working on a sustainability initiative. I am working on a community cleanup project. I am working on a marathon training program. I am working on a community service project. I am working on my public speaking abilities. I am working on my project management skills. I am working on my problem-solving abilities. I am working on my conflict resolution skills. I am working on my problem-solving strategies. I am working on my time management techniques. I am working on my public speaking confidence. I am working on a sustainable farming project. I am working on my problem-solving techniques. I am working on my problem-solving techniques. I am working on a computer programming project. I am working on a wildlife conservation effort. I am working on my foreign language proficiency. I am working on my coding and programming skills. I am working on a historical preservation project. I am working on a renewable energy research paper. I am working on a documentary about climate change. I am working on a historical preservation initiative. I am working on a science experiment with my children. I am working on my meditation and relaxation techniques.